Hello financial enthusiast, you are highly welcome to our channel. Today we would be talking about unbelievable beginner investing secrets they don't want you to know. Before we take you on this special ride, like this video, subscribe and jam the bell icon to get notified anytime I make a new upload. Investing can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to it. There are many myths surrounding investing that can make it seem complicated and risky. However, the truth is that investing can be simple and rewarding if you have the right guidance. In this video, we're going to reveal the secrets of beginner investing. We'll cover the basics of investing, including how to get started, what to invest in, and how to manage your portfolio. We'll also debunk some of the common myths surrounding investing and show you how to avoid some of the common pitfalls. Whether you're looking to start investing for retirement or just want to make some extra money on the side, this post will give you all the information you need to get started. So, let's dive into the world of beginner investing. When it comes to beginner investing, the first thing to understand is that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Investing is a long-term game that requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. To get started, you need to understand the basics of investing. This includes understanding the different types of investments available, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Each type of investment comes with its own risks and rewards, and it's important to do your research and understand the potential risks and returns before investing your hard-earned money. Another important factor to consider is diversification. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies to reduce the risk of losing money. By spreading your investments, you'll be less vulnerable to the ups and downs of any one particular asset class or investment. It's also important to have a plan and stick to it. This means setting investment goals, creating a budget, and regularly reviewing your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals. Finally, it's important to be patient and not let emotions get the best of you. Investing can be a roller coaster ride, with ups and downs along the way. By staying the course and sticking to your plan, you'll be better positioned to achieve your investment goals over the long term. Investing is a great way to grow your money over time, but getting started can seem daunting. Here are some steps to help you get started with investing. What are you investing for? Retirement? A down payment on a house? A child's education? Knowing your goals will help you determine how much you need to invest and what type of investments are appropriate for you. Don't jump into investing blindly. Take the time to learn about the different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Read books, attend seminars, and talk to other investors to get a better understanding of the risks and rewards. Firstly, you have to know that you don't need a lot of money to start investing. In fact, some mutual funds and ETFs allow you to invest with as little as $50 a month. Start small and work your way up as you become more comfortable with investing. You can open an investment account with a brokerage firm, bank, or online investment platform. Make sure to compare fees and services before choosing a provider. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments by spreading your money across different types of investments and industries. This will help minimize your risk and maximize your returns over time. Remember, investing takes time and patience. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Stay disciplined, stay focused on your goals, and stay the course. Over time, your investments will grow and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you're a beginner investor, it can be tough to know where to start. Thankfully, there are several common investment types that are popular among beginners that you can consider. Firstly, mutual funds are a great investment option for beginners. Mutual funds pool money from different investors to purchase securities such as stocks, bonds, and other assets. This is a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. Plus, you don't need a lot of money to get started with mutual funds, making it a great option for beginners on a budget. Another popular investment option for beginners is exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds in that they pool money from investors to purchase assets. However, ETFs trade on exchanges like stocks, making them more flexible than mutual funds. ETFs also usually have lower fees than mutual funds, making them a good option for cost-conscious investors. Individual stocks are another common investment type for beginners. Investing in individual stocks can be a bit riskier than mutual funds and ETFs, but it can also provide higher returns. when investing in individual stocks. It's important to do your research and make sure you're investing in a company with solid financials and growth potential. Finally, bonds are another investment type that beginners can consider. Bonds are essentially loans that you give to a company or government in exchange for interest payments. While bonds usually provide lower returns than stocks, they are generally considered to be a lower risk investment option. Ultimately, the best investment type for you will depend on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. It's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope you enjoyed this video on beginner investing secrets. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and jam the bell icon so you can get notified anytime I upload an amazing video like this. And we hope that this video has helped you gain a better understanding of the topic. Investing may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset, knowledge, and strategy, anyone can get started on their investment journey. Remember to take things slow, do your research, and always seek advice from a financial expert before making any investment decision. We can't wait to hear about your success stories as you begin your journey to financial freedom.